Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Infiniti Q50 Red Sport, courtesy of Infiniti of Nashua. This one's a bit special. This one has MagnaFlow mufflers on it, which makes it sound just a bit better. You can already kind of hear at idle, you can hear the difference, but once we're underway, that's when you can really tell. I always said that the Red Sport needed more loudness. Always kind of thought it was a little bit quiet from the factory. Well, this solves that. Sold new to Infiniti of Nashua back in 2019. Sold for $61,315. 400 horsepower, 350 pound-feet of torque from the 3-liter twin-turbo V6. Dynamic sunstone red over quilted graphite. All the books and manuals. Reversing camera. And into drive. We'll be driving in Sport Plus mode. It's the way Red Sport should be driven. Right off the bat, you can already hear it's just a little bit louder. The Red Sport, it's not an M3 competitor, as much as I wish it could be. It's just not to that level. What it does compete with quite well is the M340i. I see it as pretty much a direct competitor with the M340i and the C43 AMG. For a lot less money than those cars, frankly. Whew. Takes a little bit of getting used to that. First time I ever drove one of these, that was the part that really got to me. Not a lot of people talk about these cars. They exist and they lease for you can get some pretty killer deals on these things. I wouldn't say for leasing. Leasing is kind of you can get a good deal depending on discounts and stuff, but for purchasing, oh, these things have discounts all day. Should they? Really not, but just the way the market states things should be. Materials in here, very, very nice materials. Hey, sliding visor, yes, good job, Infiniti. I just, the fact you can get 400 horsepower in a luxury sedan like this, it's just absolutely insane. And it's the same basic engine that's in the normal Q50, the 3-liter twin-turbo 6. Just kind of tuned and tweaked a little differently. Paddles, they might be plastic, but if they are plastic, these are the best feeling plastic paddles I've ever felt. They actually might be metal. Oh my goodness. proper car, man. Now, I was comparing it to the C43 and the M340i. In terms of raw driver feedback, those cars might just have the edge. Barely, but they do. But if you think about the discounts and deals that can be had on one of these, it has more power than both of those cars. Personally, I really like the interior on this car. Definitely over like the S4. M340i, you know, it's personal preference. No, it's thoroughly impressive. And for me, it's a much more comfortable grand touring car than the M340i and the C43. This is how it should be from the factory with an exhaust like this. Not stupid loud, but loud enough to provide some oral satisfaction. I'll rephrase that because, yeah. Enough to provide some nice tone to it. I was going to make a binaural audio joke, but yeah, it just didn't sound right before I said it. And you'll get some killer downshift noises. Please turn. Turn. You kumquat. Yes. No. Oh, what a car, man. What a car. I don't get it. These cars are so unappreciated. Nobody really talks about these. And they're such good performance bargains. I mean, for the money, you can't get much better than this. And at the end of the day, it's an Infiniti, which is a Nissan product, meaning it's going to be dead reliable, which is something the reputation of some certain German brands don't have. Although I am a fan of the German versions. I don't know. Either way, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.